Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a smiling critters surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our smiling critters surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. So I'm going to begin by lining up the corners of my paper and giving it a nice little fold. That way I've kind of created a card. Next, I'm going to fold this one more time and fold right down the middle. Now I've kind of created like a bookmark shape. Now when I open this up, I have these nice little guidelines that show me where to keep the inside of my drawing. And I like to turn it this way so I can open it up for a fun surprise. Now to start off with this, I need to choose a smiling critter for my big drawing. And you can do any one you want to, but I think I'm going to go with CatNap on this one. So to start off with this, I'm just going to begin by making a little line that just goes down and then up in like a V shape. Then I'm going to make a little line across. Next, I'm going to make a line that's just going to come down and then up here. And then same thing here. I'm just going to go down and then up here. I want to make a little line here, and then a little line here. Now for the eyes, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up. It's going to go down and around here. And then same thing here. I'm going to go up. It's going to come down and then around. I want to make a nice tall oval shape inside each one for the pupils. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up and down for the eyebrow. And then I'm going to come up and down again. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to go out and in, out, and then in. Same thing here. We're just going to come out and then in, out, and then in. Then we're just going to make a line that's going to go down. And then we're going to bring it all the way to the other side. Now for the ears, let's begin by drawing a line that's going to come up on each side. Then I'm just going to curve this down to here. And same thing here, just going to curve this down to here. We'll go up and down here, and then up and down here. Next, I'm going to bring this line down to here and kind of curve it in. And same thing here, we're going to go down and kind of curve it in. Then I'll make the little moon necklace. So I'll just draw a little C shape like this. And then a smaller one inside. And then we'll make the two lines connecting it. Now for the hands, I'm just going to draw a line that's going to come out and then in, and same thing here, just go down with a curve and then in. Then we'll come down and up, and then just connect it. Then we'll put a second little bump right next to here. And we'll make a little line here. Then for the tail, I'm just going to draw a line that's going to curve up. And then another line that's going to curve up. We're going to curve this line around and then back here. Now the final step is to just draw the little curved lines for the eyebrows. Now our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now, once we have this opened up, we have two halves of CatNap. Now, the first thing that we want to do is I'm going to bring this line right down here, and then I'm going to bring this line right down here. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to go out and then out and in here, and we'll just kind of bring it down on each side. And then I'm going to curve this line up on each side. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a curved line for a smile right down here. Now, inside of here, we want to start filling this up with some of the different smiling critter characters. So let's begin right here with DogDay. So I'm going to begin by making a little upside down triangle shape for the nose. And then I'm going to make a curve on each side. We'll make a little line down on each side. And then a line that's going to come down and up. For the tongue, we'll just curve this around and then back down. Right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go out with a couple bumps on the end. And same thing here, we're going to bring this out with a couple little bumps. Then we're just going to bring this down and then up here. Right here for the eyes, I'm going to go up and then down, and then same thing here, up and then down, with a circle inside each one. We'll make a little line that's going to go up and then up and down for the head. Then right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to curve around for a hand, and then same thing here, curve this around for a hand. We'll do a curve on each side. And then we're just going to put some little bumps and then bring them back. Same thing here, we'll just put some little bumps and then just bring them back. We'll put a line on each side. And then we'll bring this line down here. We'll put a little sad face right for the stomach. I'm going to make a bump on each side for the ears. Then a line's going to go up and down, and then up and down. Same thing here, up and down, and then up and down. Now, over here, I want to draw Hoppy Hopscotch. So I'm going to begin by making a little upside down triangle. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to go down and up, and then down and up. I'm going to curve this down and then up to here. And then we're just going to curve this over. Right here, I'm going to make a little line that goes up and down, and then I'm going to curve this up and down for an eye. Then we'll make a line that goes up and down and then over. I'll make two lines that go out and in. Then a line's going to go down and up. We'll go up and down, and then up and down here. And we'll go out and in. We'll make a little curved line for the tongue. I'm going to make two oval shapes for the eyes. And then I'm going to bring this line down and then over to here for the body. We'll curve a line right here. And we'll make another little oval shape for the foot with two little lines for the toes. And we'll curve this line up. Then right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go out. We'll put 1, 2, and 3 bumps on it for a hand. And we'll curve this down and over the little line. For the ears, we're just going to curve this down and up. And we'll make this one curve up and around here. We'll put a smaller oval in here. And then a line here and a line right across here. Now, over here, I'm going to put Bubbaphant. Now, to start off with this, let's begin with a line that's just going to curve down to here. Then we're going to curve this up and around to here with a little circle. 2 curved lines on each side. A little line on each side here. And then we're just going to curve this down and then up to here with a little sad face for the tongue. Next, I'm going to curve a line to here. We're going to bring this over, and then I'm just going to curve it around here. I'm going to make an oval shape for an eye, and then a second oval shape for an eye here. And then we'll make smaller ovals inside of here for the pupils. I'm going to come up and down, and then up and down here. Then for the ear, we're just going to curve this around. We're going to come down and in. And then same thing here. We're just going to curve this around like this. We'll kind of curve this here and curve this here. Next, I'm going to curve this line around, and I'm going to bring this up to here. And I'm just going to bring this line down. And I'm going to bring this line out. We'll go up and around and bring it back. Little curve and then a line down. Now, right up here, let's put PickyPiggy. So I'm going to begin by making a curved line for a smile. 2 lines on each side. And then a big line down for the mouth. A little sad face for the tongue. And then another sad face here for the nose. We'll make 2 little dots here. Then a line that's going to come up and around for an eye, and then same thing here, up and around. Then we'll do a circle inside of here for the pupils. Next, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up and then up and down here. Then we're just going to curve this around to here. Then we'll make 2 lines down. For the ears, we're going to curve a line out on each side. Then we're going to go up and around here, and then up and around here. Then a little skinny oval shape inside of here. Next, I want to bring this line down and this line down. Then I'm going to bring this line down and this line down. And then I want to bring this line up and this line up. And there you go. There is your drawing of a smiling critter surprise fold. So when I have it all folded up, we've got CatNap smiling right there. And then when we open it up, we can see that there are a bunch of other little critters popping out of the mouth. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.